Hi, my name is Tauqeer Abbas. I started working as Associate Dean for Innovation Enterprise for the School of Science and Engineering in October 2021. Madi has recently joined us as an Assistant Manager for Innovation Enterprise and Partnerships. Today, I'm going to talk about our vision for industrial partnerships. Globally, there is a push to accelerate nations' growth and development through innovation and technology. Industry is an invaluable partner for academic researchers because they can catalyze the transition of discoveries from the lab to the market. Our vision is to create a conducive environment that promotes transformative discoveries and innovation and supports creative activities with industrial collaborations for the collective betterment of the School of Science and Engineering at LUMS, society, and the country. Our mission is to provide the SSC community with comprehensive, solution-oriented services and infrastructure to support innovation and translation of discoveries in a way that builds a self-sustainable entrepreneurial ecosystem for the school. We are currently facing two major challenges. Number one is weak industry-academia linkage. A strong industry-academia linkage promotes innovation in the society, leading to the development of new products and technologies, and can also act as a breeding ground to promote the development of new industries that can stimulate a competitive advantage for the country. Unfortunately, industry and academia are not strongly connected in Pakistan. Number two, there are few loopholes in the current commercialization policies, such as lack of resources for the study of market needs, lack of technology and IP valuation, and equity-related issues. Currently, we are concentrating our efforts on establishing and strengthening our links with the industry and drafting comprehensive policies for launching spin-offs and startups. We are discussing the overhead policy for industry project grants because most of the small local industries in Pakistan may not be able to pay at a rate of 30% of the total direct costs. Also, we are thinking about offering contracted research facilities to the industry. Initially, the Office of the Innovation, Enterprise and Partnerships aims four major challenges in Pakistan. Number one, water contamination remediation. Emerging contaminants in water and wastewater are an increasing concern for the human health and the environment. New and emerging pollutants include a wide range of chemical pollutants such as pharmaceuticals, personal care products, and perfluoroalkyl and polyfluoroalkyl substances. These contaminants cannot effectively be removed using conventional treatment methods. There is a need to improve scientific research and information on the presence of these emerging pollutants in water resources and wastewater, their potential effects on human health and ecosystems, and effective ways to remove them. Number two, air pollution. It's a major problem confronting Pakistan. Contributors to poor air quality in Pakistan include solid waste burning, vehicle and industrial emissions. Pakistan must ensure that its energy sources meet the country's direct and indirect demands, not just for economic growth, but also for regional and global economic efforts. Energy crisis in Pakistan is a result of flawed energy policies and of rising electricity demand on the one hand, and decreasing energy resources and financial constraints on the other. To reduce Pakistan's reliance on imported oil and to curb air pollution, the country should consider renewable energy mega projects. Clinical research is vital for the drug discovery process, which involves testing a new drug on humans to assess its potential side effects and safety. However, due to national infrastructure fragmentation and ethical considerations, Pakistan struggles to compete in the global economy. Heavy investment and advancement are required to improve clinical research in Pakistan. As a way forward, we strive to strengthen academia-industrial linkages and to provide support and guidance for the product commercialization and industrial partnerships. We are working on policy guidelines on innovation, enterprise, and startups that aim towards nurturing innovation and creating an entrepreneurial ecosystem. The policy that Office aims to share in a few months will provide guidelines on self-sustainable entrepreneurial ecosystem. Currently, we are focusing on different types of industrial linkages, such as industrial problem solving, certified testing services, corporate training, product creation, consultancy, industrial funded graduate program. The office has a state-of-the-art water quality testing lab in view for the coming year, which shall be fully equipped with all the necessary analytical tools required for the detailed water and wastewater analysis. We also aim to develop state-of-the-art air quality testing lab and a biomass research center in coming 2 to 3 years. The office intends to generate up to 40 million in the next 5 years revenue in terms of equity back to school via self-sustainable entrepreneurial ecosystem. This month, we hosted an open house for the pharma industry in Pakistan. And in the last 4 months, we are collaborating with few industrial partners and a state organization on industrial problem solving projects. Our future objective is to connect more partners from the industry to promote and strengthen linkages for the betterment of academia and innovation in applied sciences. The office seeks strong industry academia linkages as it possesses a wide range of benefits that can influence university, companies, society, and the country. We would love to have your expert opinion and advice on innovation, enterprise, and industrial partnerships, which can surely help us to build a self-sustainable entrepreneurial ecosystem for the school. Thank you so much.